Alright, let's go.
Hello.
These Zenyatta looking motherfuckers. Where the fuck are we?
I don't know. This another new man. I want to go to the temple.
Yeah, let's go this way. Let's see what's over here.
Get sacrificed to Roth.
A blue orb appears. You hear thunder rumbling.
Oh, what did you do?
Nothing. Look at the chat log thing.
I saw that, but that's. Oh no, wait. That meant one of the. That means we have a blue orb portal on our.
Yeah. I need 3 more dollars. Perfect. My wallet's arrived. Oh, look, a med kit. You know, because I don't already heal with everything I do. What is this? The fuck are you? What is this? Necron splits incoming damage. Oh.
What?
I found a Necron-looking token.
Oh.
And it
What the?
splits incoming damage.
What does that mean?
I'm guessing it just, like... I don't know, I'm guessing it splits damage. I don't fucking know how or with what. Okay, good. The fuck is this thing?
So you keep getting weird shit?
Gain damage after killing enemies in quick succession. Oh, that's actually pretty good.
Oh, hey, Matthew, you're not gonna be happy.
Why? That's the second one, isn't it?
Yeah.
So
what the fuck did I just see?
What?
I don't know, it looked like a little tiny person was dancing in the fucking mountain.
What?
Yeah, I went over to where he was and he fucking phased through the rock and disappeared. Hey, a lunar coin.
I don't have 80 of those.
I don't have 90.
Okay. Good. Ooh, a green. Chance Doll. Chance to increase item rarity at Shrines of Chance. Oh!
Nice!
So gambling is better for me now. I don't...
What the fuck did I just do?
The fuck's happening? What is that? What did you do?
I don't know. I opened the box.
I opened a box. Well, I'm here now, so...
And there's more.
Is this... It's charging up, it looks like. It's in some way charging something.
Yeah, it looks like we had to stay close to it, so...
Yeah, I'm treating it like a teleporter. I don't know what it does when it's... Well, it's just about there, so... It is, like, right there for charge. Ah!
Oh, it's taking my money.
What is that?!
Why are you taking my money?
Fuck you, dude!
Are we killing this? I guess we're killing it.
I'm doing my damnedest.
Hey, man, give me my money back. Ow.
Well, I am up here now! I am gone. Ow, my ankles! How's the fight going?
He's at half health, and I still don't know what he is.
Ow! Ah! Where am I? Where is he? Where did he go? Oh, there he is. I found him, don't worry. I need to itch my nose. Okay. He has a shield now. I did not mean to hit that button, but here I am.
He's dead.
The storm beckons. The fuck does that mean?
Items.
Oh, there's a portal.
You get to choose items.
Oh, it's a choose thing?
Oh, you choose 3.
Wait, let me... Okay, so that little Necron coin thing is what I have. I'm taking Goat Hoof. Oh, you choose 3 of the... I'm taking that because I don't know what it does.
Before we go in the portal, do you want
Yes.
to activate the boss fight to potentially get more items? Activated 2 shrines.
When taking damage, chance to trigger active enemy debuffs. Applies bleed. What does that mean? I did it because it looked cool. So when I get hit, I just debuff them? Yeah, sure, why not? I hope that doesn't close that portal. Nope, that's still open, so...
I fucking hate you. To infinity and beyond.
I am... Oh, are those the children you were talking about?
The what?
I found the children you were talking about. Where are we?
Sing in the mountain?
What is this place? You're here early.
Oh, hi.
Well, I
And
killed
now
him.
he's dead.
I killed him.
I found another one of the shrine things.
Oh. Of course you found... Oh shit, I should probably do my Helldivers. There we go. That is how we are now supposed to reference it. No other way. Fuck off! Oh, it also takes my money, too. So it takes the money of everyone within... That's why it keeps spawning enemies the way it does.
So that you can keep getting money.
Yep.
And then I
It'll
think
make
we
sense
go
now.
back after we beat the boss.
Pray to the Halicon. I don't know what that did.
That summoned the boss.
Oh. Okay, it's not registering me pressing F. That's a good sign. And it's dead. Whoa!
And it deploys the items that gives us 3.
Cool. Do we just want to go through this one again?
I think we just get 2.
We just get
now?
2 this time, which...
New things. What does it do? Different. Oh,
Where?
we're here now.
Whoa! Hello,
hi.
buddy!
I am, flying?
He's a lot weaker.
Okay, so now we're getting the golden dude.
Yeah, are these children? Are these the children you were talking about?
And the children is dead.
I fisted a child. Whoa, the child's gone. What is that? He's vulnerable, get him!
Take his bitches!
I am under the map.
Yeah, that's the one issue with this guy's ability is it'll sometimes teleport us under the fucking map.
And we got him. Cool. I think we want to go through the green one, yeah. Wait, are we doing the thing?
What thing?
To get the other character, because we now have the Halicon seed. Are we
That's true.
accidentally doing the right thing?
Possibly.
Because it just gave us this. What is... No! You mean bad things, I think.
Gross. Well,
I
falling,
I pushed
so
the
it's
portal.
for the better.
So... You're no longer falling. Where the Prime Meridian, Relic of the False Sun.
This sounds like a fucking boss area.
Uh-huh.
Kinda looks like it too. What the fuck is...
That's just Gup, don't worry about it. Okay. Jesus Christ, yeah. Ah!
Okay. Getting the fuck out of there.
Yeah. The storm beckons you for death.
Apparently, we need to just avoid those to the best of our abilities.
That's what I'm taking. Man, good thing Helldivers has prepared me for this DLC.
Yeah, killing bugs?
No. What's it called? The DDR or whatever the fuck that is? I think I'm heading in the right direction? I think you were supposed to go up.
I think so too. I don't like all the fucking cons. I wish I had some speed items so I could run away from these fucking things faster.
I think we are supposed to go up because I found a little laser.
Breaking the rocks along the way.
What rocks?
Little pillars, they give you shields as you run if you click on them.
Oh. See, I was not privy to this information. Thank you for sharing it now that I'm here. Let's see where this takes me. Oh, well, this is an arena. Nope, this isn't. That's an item.
Oh, it's an item shop.
Yeah, this is just a bot. No? Nope, this is just up. We go up more. This is so... This is an arena. Whoa. Oh, okay, cool. Oh, my god. It's looking at me.
Looks like a god.
Oh. Hello, false sun. What is happening?
I like to hear about the Lord and Savior, Jesus. Fuck.
No, I didn't want to do this. Perfect. I'm glad we had the same thought process of just, fuck this bitch.
I don't know what he's doing, he's just kind of standing over there now. He's getting fucked up, though.
And he's dead.
There's probably going to be a phase 2. I'm going to activate this while I...
Have you come to seek a god?
Yes?
If you meant me, then ow!
I'm the only god I worship.
That is probably my favorite thing, is like, God of War. It's like, I killed gods to get revenge. You know, other ones, it's like, I got knocked off of the arena.
Well, apparently that distracted him, because he's being dumb now.
Yeah! I made it back up!
Okay, he's dead. Activating this again for heals. Oh, he fell! I'm back up.
What was that? Return your stolen power, vermin. Oh! Buddy's oh, we don't have anything anymore. It's
dead.
Buddy versus Buddy.
I'm dead.
Ah! Get him, Buddy! Get him! Buddy, get him!
You activate your ability.
I cannot. I do not have any abilities. Ow! 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 There's no cover.
I don't know why you didn't have anything, as I still could shoot.
I had no abilities. All of them were crossed off.
Ah. Hey, we know how to do that now.
Yeah, we now know how to almost accidentally get this first character when it says purified the heart of the false sun.